Organizing and collaborating within Apple Calendar. Select the calendar icon, scroll down to the bottom and select Add Calendar. Select Add Calendar, title this Appointments. Scroll down and select color. I can choose any of these default colors or customize and create my own color. Once satisfied with your color, you can go back and select the checkbox at the top right corner. Now I have this new category here, and if I go to create an event by selecting the plus sign on the top right corner, select doctor appointment, scroll down, select calendar and select appointments. Select the checkbox on the top right corner. I have my doctor appointment color-coded right here. I will select the calendar icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Under Other, I am subscribed automatically by default with my iPhone to US holidays. Select your finger to turn off that checkbox. Now it is an empty circle that will no longer show the US holidays within your calendar application. So let's navigate to our settings icon here. For quick access, search for calendar, select calendar accounts, and select add account. Select the provider and then enter in your credentials. I am going to select accept at the bottom, select save. Now that account has been added. So if I go into my calendar application, select the plus sign, add a title, scroll down to calendar, make sure you select the correct account. And now my event will show up under this account on my calendar. To share individual events or meetings, select your event on your calendar, selecting edit up at the top right corner of your screen, add invitees. Select invitees. You can add cell phone numbers or email addresses. When you're finished, select this checkbox. If you're looking to share whole calendars, select the calendar icon on the bottom of your screen. Select the iCloud calendar I would like to share, and then I will add a person to share this calendar with. My name is Jessica, and I hope to see you in the next video.